Hi everyone, welcome back. It's great to have you again with us for another episode of Cooking with the Stars, brought to you by the Rio Grande Valley Diabetes Association in partnership with Happy Healthy Valley. And I'm so happy and excited to have a family of guest chefs today. We are with the Ings family, featuring Chef Lance and Chef Jen and their kids. And I'm so excited that you guys get to see the family cook together, because a lot of studies have shown that when a family cooks together, that's how you're teaching your kids healthy skills. Today's recipe is going to have a lot of fiber coming from, believe it or not, the avocado. I don't know if you guys know, but avocado is a very good heart-healthy fat. But what a lot of people don't know is that it actually has a pretty good amount of fiber in it as well. In fact, avocado has more fiber than your average slice of bread. And the other great thing that we're having is spinach. So spinach is packed with fiber and antioxidants. It's actually considered one of the top 10 healthy foods.
Hello RGV, my name is Lance Ames and this is my family, and we are excited to welcome you to our home today. Hello. Who's excited to cook?
Me!
Awesome. Well, on behalf of South Texas Health System, we want to thank the Rio Grande Valley Diabetes Association for putting this on. This is a really great forum for us to talk about healthy eating, and especially with a family, sometimes that can be a little hard.
Yeah, it's always an adventure because you never really know what you're going to get. The kids always want to make sure they each have a fair turn if there's more than one, and it's fun to try to take control of that. But it is neat to be able to have that extra time together, and it's teaching them at a young age how to take care of themselves, and food that's healthy for them is really important.
So today we're going to show you guys one of our recipes that we like to eat around here. Like a lot of people down here in the valley, we love tacos, right guys? Tacos good? Yeah. So we have a chicken pesto lime taco recipe that we're going to share with you. And the fun part about it is that it's pretty quick and it uses a blender. Are blenders fun to use? Yes. Blenders are fun.
It's fun.
Yes. So we encourage everyone in the valley to really look at a young age at eating healthy, especially working in the healthcare system. We see it every day, the impacts of obesity, diabetes, and if you can start at a young age, this is the time to start to learn to enjoy healthy food, and it really is good. And we're going to show you all that today, and we're going to have a little bit of fun. So should we get started, guys?
Yes.
All right.
Let's totally get started.
All right, so first thing, blender duty. We're going to take some of this cilantro here, our first ingredient.
I'm doing the blender.
All right. Carissa, can you put some of this into here?
You and me, let's do the chicken here.
There we go. Very nice.
I gotta put a little bit more than that, honey.
Stuff it in there.
I'll put
Blake, can you, not yet, not yet. So Blake, you're gonna put in some garlic, buddy.
How much?
That's too much of it. Oh. So we're gonna put in a couple of tablespoons of this. Garlic smells so good, right?
Yeah.
Just dump that in. Awesome. 1, and then we'll do 2. Ready? Dump it in. Excellent. Very good. Well, and we're going to put some olive oil in. And actually, we're going to use avocado oil. That's one of our favorite substitutes for an oil. So this is going to be the baker's touch. Okay. And we're going to put a little bit more cilantro in. Okay. Good job, Blake. Nice job, bud. And Chris, you want to put this one in?
I got it. I'm going to put one in.
All right, you can put one in too. Everyone's helping. All right. There we go. Now put that lid on and let's blend it up.
Okay, I will. Okay. Blend this up.
Yep, put it on tight. There we go. Yeah. Does it look about done? All right, very good.
Pretty done.
Okay.
I shall
Yeah, things that were much slow, but it's good. Okay.
All right, how's that look? Nice and smooth?
Oh, yeah. So good. It looks yummy.
Okay, let's pour it in. All good, ready to go.
Hey, me!
Okay, you want to add it right here?
Yes.
Okay, we'll add it right. Good job. Nice, good technique.
Ultra one. There's an ultra one.
There we go.
For real. Here, you want soap?
Yep, soap. All right, so Carissa, can you take this? We're going to put that on the grill.
Leaf anyone?
And we're ready to go outside.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for joining us in our crazy but worth it night.
We've had a lot of fun, and hopefully you all can see that it is possible to be healthy, to cook together as a family, and to make it fun. Again, thank you so much to the Rio Grande Valley Diabetes Association and also the Happy Healthy Valley group. They're highlighting such important things for all of us and all of our families throughout the Rio Grande Valley. So thanks again for spending an evening with us, and on behalf of South Texas Health System, be safe, be healthy, and let's continue to build our communities together.